everyone, welcome or welcome back on my YouTube channel. I am Gwenley and in today's video we're back for a new recipe. Today's recipe is a vanilla and chocolate chip mug cake proposed by the French blogger E.ien. I don't know how to pronounce it, plus it's supposed to be in French, so E.ien. Excuse me. She proposes a lot of other recipes on her Instagram, so if you're interested, I'll put the link down below in the description. But for today, we're going to try this one. So for this recipe, you'll need an egg, applesauce, flour, a little bit of baking powder, vanilla sugar, vanilla extract, and last but not least, chocolate chips. And of course, you'll also need a mug. Okay, so first point first, I have a small tip for you because personally in this video I used the spoon that I used to take the ingredients, and actually I think maybe it will be a little bit easier to mix everything together if you're using a fork, so it can help. I would say the texture was really great. It was like, how could I explain this? It was like a tasty cushion. I think it was really interesting for that. Plus it's a very light cake. When you're eating that, you're not feeling like it's too much, and you just need a microwave, so you don't have to preheat anything, you don't have to wait for so long, it's super quick. It's really perfect if you want to change from time to time. Plus it's a one serve, so if you're living alone, that's once again perfect. Or if you are the only one to like vanilla, we never know. That being said, when I compare this to the previous recipes I've done on my YouTube channel, this is not my favorite, and this is the reason why I'm not planning to redo this recipe in the future. But there is plenty of other amazing recipes on her Instagram, so I definitely want to give a try to more of her recipes. They look amazingly good and I'm so curious, so I think you'll see more of her recipes on my YouTube channel, and I definitely think you should check her Instagram because If you don't find something that looks appealing to you, I don't know how you do that. But yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope it was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, everything. And I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.